Hi, I'm Martin Gren. I think many of you know me. I'm one of the founders of Access Communications. Today we're going to talk about IP audio and a lot of the improvements we have done on the API side. But also we're going to discuss a little bit about some of the myths. And who would be the best person if not Håkan here, my dear friend?
Thank you, Martin. I'm Håkan Hansson, Product Manager Audio. So, we have the Network Audio Bridge, which is a new product. This is a great tool working with network audio solutions. You can take any analog source and connect it to the speaker system.
Won't you get a lot of latency if you do that?
Yeah, this is a common thought actually, but let me show a demonstration for you.
Okay.
So we take the analog mini jack cable and connect to the analog input. Now let's play a YouTube clip. Have a look, Martin.
Access has always pioneered open standards, making it easy for anyone to integrate our products in their solutions.
Wow, that's amazing. I mean, I was expecting latency in the range of seconds here.
No. No, we're talking about milliseconds. So as you can see, it's almost perfect lip sync.
So we can almost use it for live audio. That's perfect. Now you crash the myth that it's a lot of latency in IP audio. So if I wanted a network audio system with tens or hundreds speakers in a zone, how shall I do that? Doesn't that generate a lot of network traffic with congestion and more latency?
Well, in general, yes, but we now have support for multicast in the products. So that means that you can do hundreds of speakers in a zone.
Oh, and that goes for the whole product line?
That's the whole product line of network audio products from Access, so there is actually no limitations anymore.
So Håkan, one of my first applications for the network horn speaker, that was I put it up in my house and I had it triggered by a thermal camera. So when there comes somebody into my garden, they would hear the noise of a barking dog.
Great. Did you think it was easy to set it up?
Well, to be honest, I had a prototype of a horn speaker and I had to spend a few hours to get that application to work with file formats and all the things.
Oh, I see. Well, that was a long time ago and we have done a lot of improvements. Let me show you. So, first of all, we have support for any kind of audio file. We support WAV file and MP3 file.
Oh, that would have solved a lot.
And we also have the API generator. That makes it very easy to trigger and do the API command. So you can now trigger the audio clip with a file name.
Ah, not by number.
Exactly, and you can also adjust each individual audio clip volume and select number of times or infinite repeats. You can also get the complete link, API link.
Ah, so that's the Vapix string that I integrate to my application for the audio clip.
That's correct.
Oh,
And now let's test it.
so now we get the bling here when you click it. With my application for the barking sound, I actually had a problem because when people were entering my garden, they hear the playing dog bark, but then they hear the same clip again and they realize it's a fake dog and not a real one. Do you have a solution to that?
Yes, I have. You can use the wildcard functionality by randomize audio
Oh,
clips.
you've added randomization.
That's
That is
correct.
good.
Let me show you. You just select one of the clips here, dog. You put the asterisk.
As a wildcard
as a
character?
wild- Exactly. And now they play randomly.
Oh, can you show me?
Absolutely.
With these new features has actually taken my system from a dog to a kennel.
Absolutely right.
I just love this API generator. It's a great example of one of the many things we do to make audio smart and easy.
That's correct. That's a great tool. Continue to use it, and so should you. And thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening.